Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to roll back a driver update after a bad update in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you have just updated any of your driver but you're facing the issue that your driver update is gone bad and now you want to uninstall that update or you want to roll back. So let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply click on the start button and then just search for device manager. And now in device manager you just have to locate that specific driver which you want to roll back. So for example, I'm gonna looking for cameras here, or I'm gonna look for display driver here. Then right click on it, go to properties, go to driver here, and just click on this rollback driver. Now you just have to select any region, and then you have to click on yes. So once I've clicked on yes, it will automatically uninstall this driver and it will be moved to previous driver update. So if you want to update it again, just right click on it, go to update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. It will automatically install pending updates for your driver. So in this way, you can easily roll back any driver update in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.